Today, we're going to make our Asian avocado shrimp salad bowl. For the salad, we combine romaine, shredded Napa cabbage, sprouts, carrots, cucumber, jalapeno, and red bell pepper. Toss gently with soy avocado dressing and portion onto a serving dish. The soy avocado dressing is made with fresh avocados from Mexico, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a blend of avocado and sesame oils. Next, top the salad with rice noodles that have been blanched and dressed in a Vietnamese nuoc cham dressing. Sprinkle the salad with diced and pickled avocados from Mexico, then garnish with sliced serrano peppers, sesame seeds, and cilantro. Top with spicy seared shrimp and drizzle with avocado sriracha aioli to complete the dish. Now you're ready to serve the Asian avocado shrimp salad bowl by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.